In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Calendly from Close CRM quickly and safely. If you no longer want Calendly connected to your Close account or you're just cleaning up your integrations, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in just a minute or two. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Close CRM account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the settings option. This is usually where you'll find all the account level controls and integration settings for your workspace. After opening settings, select accounts and apps. This section manages the third-party tools and connected services linked to your Close CRM account. Here, you should see a list of apps and accounts that are currently connected. Now find Calendly in your connected accounts list and open it. This will take you to the connection details for Calendly, where you can view or manage that integration. When you're on the Calendly connection page, click Remove Account. Close CRM may ask you to confirm that you want to disconnect it, so take a moment to double check that you're removing the correct account before proceeding. Once prompted, confirm the disconnection. After you confirm, Calendly will be disconnected from Close CRM and the integration will no longer have access through your account. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected Calendly from Close CRM. If you were troubleshooting an integration issue, switching to a different scheduling tool, or simply removing an old connection, you've now completed the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.